This is a wake up call. Hello and welcome to Wake Up Call. Oh yeah, so today is real talk. Today is for the Dear Coach series, and the question today is how do I manage my finances? Especially with okay, let me not start that way. With the growing rise, with the growing with the increase, with the current increase and inflation in the cost of everything, um, and so it feels like your expenses are galloping, yet your income is not galloping as much, and that can be overwhelming, right? And with that rise just comes certain worries. So I get that you can be worried, I get that it can be overwhelming for you to not know how to manage your finances. I mean, it feels like the economy is trying to just outsmart you, and it feels a lot, right? And so it just begs the question, hey coach, how do I manage my finances? How do I do better with my money? How do I manage, so that I don't crash at the end of the month or during the month or at the end of the day? Whatever the case may be, right? There are two ways to ensure that your inflow at least equals your outflow, right? And that's to either live below your means or make more income. Where there are these two, it feels like two separate options: live below your means or, increase your income, increase what comes in. I feel that a third option, which is like my friend and mentor Uncle Joshua would always say, he enjoys the, is it the third alternative now or the fifth alternative? Something that is out of the norm. And so the third alternative in this case is to do both: live below your means and increase your income, such that you do not stay below your means so much that it crashes your spirit. Because when a man's spirits are crashed to the point that it feels like, who am I, and then why am I making this little money? It can kill hope, and we don't want to kill hope in anybody, because hope makes one wake up tomorrow and try, encourages them to try again. It's important that hope survives in man. I firmly believe that hope is a critical aspect of our existence. So live below your means and increase your income. Focusing on living below your means means that where you can afford to go luxurious, buy new dresses every time you have an outing, make a new hair at your whim. You may need to structure some more and decide that how often or what's the optimal health requirements for your hair to thrive. And I say hair because yes, both male and female, everyone is being particular about grooming their hair and growing their pride, which is pretty important. I mean, check this out. It's apart from the fashion statements we can make with our hair, it's healthy to change it regularly, right? So one of the things you want to look at is, how can I make my hair just better? What's the average way to make my hair better? You can look at, is it every 2 weeks I have to manage it? Do I have to go on a low cut to manage it? I have met people, I think there's this financial mogul. Would I say mogul now? She's a young person, and I think she had to cut her hair just to ensure she met our financial goals, because it was taking too much time to manage, as well as spending a lot to manage. But on a low cut, she just got a number of weeks for when she felt like having a full hair on her head, and then she just went on a pretty low cut. And for guys to come, I mean, a lower cut that requires less management, a lot of fresh water, refreshing your hair with water. I mean, I feel like hair water is the cheapest remedy to hair management, for your hair. But I'm not a lifestyle blogger, so I'm not talking about, or vlog, I'm not talking about hair in this video. I'm talking about your finances, right? If it has to do with your luxurious clothes, buying luxurious clothes every opportunity you get, it may mean cutting down on outfits or on outings, but it may also mean repurposing existing outfits you already own, and just enjoy the style of what you're wearing in a refreshing way. That's another way. I know that we're constantly looking at other ways to increase our income, so that's why I'm really focusing on how do you cut your costs. Someone like you like fashion, you want to get some plain tees. I'm looking for more as it is. These are just branded by other people, but I'm still trying to get a couple of branded tees because I enjoy them more. And I found a particular size that fits me just perfectly, regardless of the print or the fabric. And I'm super stoked to know that I found that. But enjoy new styles that just help you save on money. Enjoy refreshing meal recipes that are healthy for you, but as well cost less. If it's cheaper to plant your own stuff, plant in pots, around you, enjoy outings with friends, and you just go hang out to drink some water. Yes, I said it, going out to drink water. Yes, it can happen. Or getting together to just have a bowl of curry and play some ludo, as long as you're able to unwind, because that's also important to recreate your spirit, your soul, your body when you hang out with people and you bond with them outside of work, outside of seriousness, and just bond. Okay, so look into that. Just look at every aspect of your life. If you go through some of our videos, you would find some cycles of life tools and all of that. Go look through them to look at the various areas of your life, that and just introspect to say, what am I spending right now when it comes to this area of my life, and how can I cut down the cost there and still enjoy a great quality of life, because that is what you're looking for, a well-rounded life, and one with good superior quality, that you would look on your life and you say, yes, I'm having the time of my life. Find alternatives to enjoyment, find alternatives to luxury, and look at, when saying how do you manage your finances. If you don't have finances to manage, if you don't have to worry about managing your finances, of course this video is not for you. But I'm speaking to my Afro brothers and sisters out there who are looking to manage their finances. I hope this helps you, and if it does, let me know in the comments below. I'm always open to talk, always open to sharing, whenever you want me to. So be well, do well, have a fantastic weekend ahead, and don't worry, be happy. To those.